Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. In this video we're going to be talking about Bona Oil Soap. So this is a cleaner as well as a conditioner for already oiled floors. It can be used with anything that's been Bona craft oiled in the past, but also any other oil as well. So the way you can use this is you'll have to clean off the area, remove all the debris and dust with something like a scissor mop or a vacuum. And then you dilute this 2 caps of this product to 10 litres of water, so it does go a long way, and then it can just be applied with a string mop or a flat mop. Now if you're using it in a commercial area or you want to use it with a buffing machine, it can be done. So for instance, if you've got a craft oil floor that's got pigment in it, like a frost or a white or even a grey, you'll use a red pad, so you'll dilute it exactly the same, spray it down on the floor and then buff it in and buff it off with a red pad. If it's a stand oil floor, then you can just use a green pad on the floor, that's absolutely fine. So once the product is tuck dry on the floor, then if you want a bit more of a shine, you can go over and dry pad it with a white pad just to bring a bit more shine up. So yeah, great product here for cleaning and also adding a bit of condition to the floor, making your oiled floor last longer and looking cleaner. Thank you.